بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In today's class, we will start our exercise 7B on page number 97. In previous classes we have done exercise 7A, which is related to the profit and loss, profit percentage and loss percentage. Here we will start our exercise 7B on page number 97. Question number 1, 2, 3 is in your homework. First we will discuss that how you will solve your question number 1, which is actually about the fill in the blanks. Different values are given in your this chart, and you have to find the missing values. If you have in your mind, then in exercise 7A we have discussed about the profit and profit percentage. Actually, these 4 blanks will be solved by that method or by that formula which we have done. You all know it well that when we will discuss about the profit, we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Get it? Now, the next formula which we have done in the start questions of our exercise 7A was profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. I am not discussing here about the loss and loss percentage because these blanks will be solved by the formula for the profit. Only the profit values are given in your chart. Now, if we discuss the blank number 1, your cost price means CP. Your cost price is given, your selling price is given. First you will find the profit. You will use this formula and we find your profit, and then profit for the profit percentage you will use your second formula which is about the profit percentage, which is profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. Get it, student? You will solve it by yourself. Now if we will move here on blank number 2, in which cost price is given, which is rupees 48, and profit percentage is given, and you have to find here selling price and profit. So what we will do, we will first use this formula. Why? Because we have given the cost price and profit percentage. From this formula first we will find the profit, then we will use this formula to solve our values. How we will solve profit percent? What is the profit percent? 15%. I am solving here part 2. 15% is equal to profit upon cost price. What is the cost price here? 48 multiplied by 100%. This percent is cancelled by this percent. Now 48 there is in division, then it will move there, it will be changed into multiplication. 15 multiplied by 48, and here 100 is in division, when it will move here it will be changed in multiplication, when it will move here it will be changed into division. Now when you will solve it, you will get your profit. After finding your profits value, you will place your value of profit and cost price here, and then you will find your value of selling price. Or in short, you can say that minus the cost price when will come here, it will be changed into plus cost price. Or in other words, selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. Cost price is given in your question. Cost price is given in your blank. You will find your profit from here. Trace your values. Add up these two values. You will get your value of selling price. You will solve it by yourself. I am not solving here because we have done these type of questions in exercise 7A. Now come on the blank number 3. If we discuss about the blank number 3, it is the same as we have done the last question of exercise number 7A. You all know it well that when we have selling price and we have given the profit, what we will do? Profit. If we have, I have explained it in my previous lecture that whenever you have a profit, we will consider that it will be added into the cost price of rupees 100. Now here we have a profit of 10%. So 100 100 plus 10 will give you 110. We will solve this plan as we have done the last question of exercise 7a, which is when SP is 100 rupees 110. It is about the plan number 3. SP is rupees 110 when CP is rupees 100. If we have done the last questions of exercise 7a, that we will add our this profit into cost price, which is first we consider that the net price, the cost price be rupees 100. Or you can also use the same statement as we have used in exercise 7a, that the profit of 10% implies that an increase of 10% when the CP is rupees 100, your selling price will be 110. Now, SP is rupees 110 when CP is rupees 100. Now, SP is rupee 1 when CP is rupees 100. 110 here is in division. Oh, sorry, multiplication. It will be changed into division. Now, what is your selling price? 242. We will write here SP is rupees 242 when CP is equal to rupees 100 upon 110 into 242. This 0 will be cancelled by this 0. 11 1 the 11, 11 2 the 22, 11 2 the 22. You have that CP rupees 10 multiplied by 22. Cost price 10 by 22. When you multiply it, you will get 220. So here we will write here that the cost price will be rupees 220. Now, how you will find your profit? You know that profit is equal to SP minus CP. What is the value of your SP? 242 minus what is your value of CP which you have found? 220. $240 minus 220 will give you 22. It is your profit. It will be solved by the same method which have done in the last questions of exercise 7. Okay, so here we have rupees 22. If we move on to blank number 4, the same formula as we have done in blank number 1 and 2 by using the formula of profit and profit percentage, we will solve it. Okay, I hope that there will not be any problem while we will solve these questions, because we have done these type of question in exercise 7a. Get it? When you will follow the same method as we have done in question exercise 7a, you will only use the formula for the profit and profit percentage. Then you can easily solve these 3 parts. 1, 2 and 4. Part number 3 is a little bit different, but the same as we have done in exercise 7a, so I have explained it on the board. Okay students, now we will move on to question number 2 and question number 3. Keep it, make it sure that while you are solving this chart, you must have to show your working for the solution in the extra page. Okay, you must have with your question, you must have to show you're working with a pencil. You will make this chart with a pen. Write the given values with the black pen and the answer value with a blue pen. But your solution will be done by the pencil along with your chart. Get it? Now we will move on to question number and question number 3. Before starting question number 2 and question number 3, actually exercise 7p is about the mark price and the discount. As we have done in exercise 7a, the loss and profit, we have here the next topic related to our financial arithmetic, in which number 1 is mark price. When we define the mark price, we can say that it is a price which a buyer pay for any article, or it is a tag price. If you will take something or any article from the market, on most of them they are tagged by the price, that the price is rupees 2400 or rupees 17500. Okay, this tag price is known as the mark price, or the price which is on your article is known as the mark price. You can also say that the title price. There are many names for the mark price. Get it? Keep this thing in mind, that what is the mark price? The amount which you will pay for purchasing any article is known as a mark price. You can say that it is actually the price, or it is the cost of any article. Get it? Well, we have the next point. Our next point related to question number 2 and 3 is discount. What is actually the discount? When the market, or when the companies had a lot of stock left, then they will run their article with a discount. They will reduce their mark price and sell it in some discount in order to make an increment in their selling, which is known as a discount. Now, if you have a thing of rupees, or if you have any article of rupees 100, and if I am selling it at rupees 90, the actual price or the mark price was 100, and I am going to sell it at 90, then I will get a discount of rupees 10. Then how we will find the discount? We will find the discount, or we will use the formula for the discount. If discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Get it? Selling price is, when subtract from the mark price, it will give you a discount. Usually you observe that there in many shops you have a title of that, the discount of up to 40%. Sale. It is a simple word. There is a simple word which is used as SALE, sale. It is also a discount. Get it? Now, what is a discount? When we reduced our mark price, or when the shopkeeper, when the companies reduce their mark price, then it is known as a discount. And how we will find it? That we will subtract our selling price from the mark price. The next thing which we have to learn, or which we have to understand, is discount percentage. As we have done, the profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. It is a formula for the profit. What is the loss percentage? Loss upon cost price into 100%. These are the formulas for loss and profit, which we have solved in exercise 7a. But when we discussed about the discount, if you look toward these two formulas, there is one thing is common, which is cost price. But when we find the discount in percentage, what we will do, that we will write here discount is equal to, discount percentage is equal to discount upon mark price multiplied by 100%. Here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that when we will discuss about the profit percentage and loss percentage, we will use cost price. But when we will discuss about the discount percentage, we will use here the mark price. Discount percentage is always obtained from the mark price. Now move on your question. If we have to find the mark price, then what will be our formula? We have a formula of discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. We will use this formula for finding the discount. And if we have to find the mark price, then we will minus selling price. When we come here, it will be changed into plus. So the formula for your mark price will be mark price is equal to discount plus selling price. It is a formula which we will use the mark for the mark price. Get it? Now, come on your question number 2 and 3. Question number 2. If the mark price of an article is rupees 400 and it is sold at a discount of 10%, find the net selling price of the article. It is your solution. Question number 2. If the mark price of an article is rupees 400 and it is sold at a discount of 10%, find the net selling price of the article. Whenever student, I already have told you that whenever you have a word problem, first read your question carefully, make the data from the given information and find out that which value you have to find. If we read our solution from the start, if the mark price of an article is rupees 400, it means mark price is given that mark price is equal to rupees 400 and it is sold at a discount of 10%. So the discount is equal to 10%. Now we have to find the net selling price. SP we have to find here. You can also use here a word selling price. Now, if you read your question, then there is a word use discount of 10%. Whenever we have this word of discount of 10%, then this discount will be carried on your mark price. So first we will find the discount. How we will find the discount? That the discount is equal to what your discount is 10%. Then we have a off. Using here 10% off. It means there is a sign of multiplication. 10% off marked price. Get it? 10% off marked price. So what is your marked price? Rupees 400. When we have this sign of percentage, student, when we remove this sign, we will get 100 in denominator. So I am removing this sign from here. I am getting here 100 in denominator. When I will remove this sign, then I will get 100 in denominator. Now, okay, these two zero will be cancelled by these two zero. So, which value you have left? 10 multiplied by rupees 4. 4 10 the 40. So, you will have rupees 40. It means you have a discount of rupees 40. Get it? It is a discount. But here you have to find the selling price. Then, and I have explained you the formula that the discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Now here, I have to find the value of selling price. What is the discount here? Rupees 40. What is my value of mark price? Rupees 400 minus selling price. This minus selling price, when we come here, it will be changed into plus selling price. We will have rupees 400 plus rupees 40. When we move there, it will be changed into minus rupees 40. Now 400 minus 40. When you will subtract it, you will get 360. So selling price will be rupees 360. It means the article who has a mark price of rupees 400 will be sell at the discount of 10% with the selling price of rupees 360. Get it, student? Now I am repeating again my question. Mark price is given as rupees 400. Discount was 10%. Here we are using here off. It means that the discount is of the mark price. So first we will find that what will be the 10% of the mark price. 10% of mark price. In the place of O, we will use here multiplication sign. When we will solve it, we will get rupees 40. Now we will use the formula discount is equal to mark price minus selling price, as I have discussed about in my start of my lecture. Now in the place of discount, we will write here rupees 40, mark price rupees 100 minus selling price. Minus selling price, when we move here, it will be changed into plus selling price, and then rupees 40, when we move there, it will be changed into minus 40. After this, you will find your value. Now if you look towards your question number 3, I am now writing question number 3 here. You can check question number 3 from the board. If the list price of a bicycle is rupees 1000, question number 3. Keep this thing in mind that the mark price is also known as list price, tag price, and there are many names for the mark price. Now, list price given is in your question. List price, which is actually the mark price of the cycle, is rupees 1000. Again, they are telling you it is sold for rupees 900. Selling price. Now what are asking about? Find the discount percentage. Get it? First we will find the discount. We know that discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Now what is your mark price here? Rupees 1000 minus selling price rupees 900. 10,000 minus 900 will give you rupees 100. It is a discount, but in your question you have a word discount percent. In your question number 3 you have a question of discount percent. Okay, now discount you have to find. After this you will use the formula for the discount. Percent is equal to discount upon mark price multiplied by 100%. After this you will use this formula in order to find out your discount percent. First you have discount, write the value of discount 100. Mark price, what is my mark price? 1000. Now when you will solve it, you will get your answer. You have to solve this question in further. Make data formula in question number 3, and then first we will solve it for the discount, then we will use that formula for the discount percentage, and we will solve it. Now student, you have to solve question number 1, 2, 3. In question number 1, we will use the two formulas. Profit is equal to SP minus C. It is your question number 1. And what formula number 1? And what will be your second formula for question number 1? That the profit percentage is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied by 100%. These two formulas will be used for the solution of question number 1, part 1, 2 and 4. Get it? Question number 1, part 1, 2 and 4 will be solved by these two formulas. And part 3 I have solved on the board, which is different or which is as same as we have done in exercise 7a. You will just place your given values from part 1, 2 and 4 and then solve it by using this formula. Okay student, I hope now you are able to solve the question number 1, 2, 3 by yourself. For the question number 1, keep it in mind, you must have to show your working along with a pencil along your chart. Get it student? If you have any problem, then we will discuss it into our Zoom section.